Aussie Broadband shares surge. Let's have a look. Hello everyone, Florian.Heise here and welcome to another episode of HeiseSays. Grab your stein of coffee because we're going to talk about Aussie Broadband and their shares that have, well, at the time of recording, closed the day over $3.80. $3.85, I think. We'll have a look. But, well, they make me happy after talking about my wonderful AGL shares that are just going lower and lower. So at least I have something that's doing well. Let's have a look. Let's bring up the current Aussie share price. And yes, it's $3.85. There you go. Fantastic. Now, for full disclosure, I got into Aussie at the IPO because I'm a customer. One of the reasons I plug them on my channel is because I get $50 off if you sign up for the referral link to use them. And to be honest, I found their service was good because they had a local Australian call center. It doesn't take much anymore to make a little bit of difference. As following the old rules, invest in companies that have growth potential that you like and know. That's pretty much the strategy I used here. So let's have a look at this announcement from the ASX, which the market has responded to quite positively. So, and of course, I'm going to release this tomorrow. I'm recording this just after I've done my AGL shares, so the price may be different to what I'm talking about here. So, Aussie Broadband upgrades network capacity through a strategic backhaul deal. Highlights. Let's go through the highlights. 5-year deal with Telstra Wholesale to provide fiber connectivity to 42 NBN points of interconnect and data center connectivity not covered by Aussie Broadband's own fiber network. When combined with Aussie Broadband's own fiber network, brings forward combined sales of $1 million in financial year 22 and $15 million annually from financial year 23 onwards. Provides a significant network upgrade capacity across the Aussie Broadband network. Is highly complementary to Aussie Broadband's own fiber network build. The upgrade underpins Aussie Broadband's strategy to increasingly target the enterprise and business market. There you go. Interesting. So, they've announced the 5-year deal, brings forward savings from Aussie Broadband's own fiber network. The deal comprises both Intercapital and NBN POI. All 121 NBN points of interconnection through both Aussie Broadband's own fiber and through Telstra Wholesale fiber will be upgraded from current 10G or 20G connections to 100G minimum capacity at each POI. The combination of the Telstra Wholesale deal and Aussie Broadband's own fiber network will provide full diversity and protected capacity to all 121 NBN POIs, connecting each POI to 2 separate capital city data centers, along with equipment diversity at both POIs and data center level. This increased protection will significantly reduce the potential of customer impact should a link or piece of equipment fail. Well, that's good. I mean, all of the issues I've been having with my internet connection have been because of the NBN. We got rid of Telecom. We privatized that. There was competition in the market. And now phone calls are cheap, but dirt cheap. People so young they don't remember. So young they don't remember how expensive calls were. Remember when you wouldn't make an STD call because it cost so much, or calling to a mobile cost extra? I remember. Remember when payphones used to cost money? They're all free now. Welcome to the future. So there you go. That's why you want to privatize these things, because if you privatize it properly and in its entirety, then there's benefits to the consumer. There's competition. So this is good. This is encouraging, and the market is responding well. Let's have a look at some of the community. And this is from SelfWealth. This is the broker I use for my Australian share trades. Let's have a look at just the community response to it here. So 70% of the SelfWealth traders are buying. 30% are selling, and those selling, 42.6% are taking profits. Now, I don't blame people for taking profits. I don't intend to take profits. I don't need to. So I'm just going to sit and hold. I haven't even got it on a broker yet, everyone. So that's just some effort. Can you tell I'm nice and lazy? Maybe I should just put everything in an EFT and not worry about it. But that's no fun. We can all celebrate when a company goes up and remorse and suffer when a company goes down. It's a bit more exciting that way. You want that in your life, don't you? Come on. I need to hit the blackjack again. Hey, here's a question, guys. Were the casinos closed during lockdowns? I don't really know. It's been so long since I've gone and played the tables a bit. I just wonder. I wonder. Anyway, so the company's earning potential looks good. 31.6%. 23.1% said the stock is undervalued. 15.9% they got a tip. Diversifying in the sector was 10. Aligning with target portfolio was 10. And some people think it's a good dividend-paying stock when it doesn't pay dividend. Oh, well, there you go. Let's have a look at the ownership breakdown. So the top 1% of SelfWealthers are buying in. Top 10 are buying in. Top 20, top 30 are buying in. So the middle aren't. And all our plebs down the bottom are selling. So people are obviously taking profit here. Because it would have been a lot of... The only way you could have gotten into the IPO was if you were a customer. So I'm sure a lot of customers have gotten into or not only a customer, also staff too. They got taken care of. So I'm sure that a lot of people taking a bit of profit from that little investment. So there we have it, everyone. The market's responding well. It's grown by market cap. You can see it here. And, well, it looks like next 5 years will be interesting. So do you think Aussie Broadband moving into business, is that going to create greater potential for them? Do they have the brand recognition? Well, let's have a talk. Let's go over into the solution section here. And I will just jump over here. Wait. So here's the question. Do you think the goodwill that Aussie Broadband would have from people who've used it at home and will be transferred to small to medium enterprises as they're looking for a data and internet provider in their offices, in their workplaces? Do you think that might be able to translate into business or more opportunities there? That could happen. And then, if you've got the same internet provider for home because you're working from home, and the same for business because you're using it for your business, there could be some advantages there. So perhaps there is an opportunity in this company. What do you think, everyone? And come on, I'm an architect. I bought AGL. You don't take financial advice from me. That'd be bloody stupid. The only advice I give people is to pay down debt. And, well, another one, don't leverage into buying shares if you can't afford it. Some of the stories you hear are just insane. If ever I want to scare myself with investing, I just have a look at some of the Wall Street bets, failure or loss videos. Quite entertaining. Anyway, guys, let me know if you're going to buy into Aussie Broadband, or are you a IPO investor? Are you sitting on it like me, waiting for it to go to the moon? Or are you just, bowing out for this one, watching from the sidelines? Anyway, thank you all for watching this video, guys. And we'll jump back here. If you're a fan of the channel and enjoy the content I create here, there are a few ways you can support us. You can join us on YouTube or Patreon. Sign up for SelfWealth or Stake. Use our affiliate links at Amazon, eBay, Independent Reserve, or Aussie Broadband. Buy a merch from HeiseSays. Use Gold Pass from the Perth Mint, or support us via PayPal. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.